Converting Ezlink to Simplygo is a straightforward process that allows you to transfer your existing Ezlink card balance to the new Simplygo system. Simplygo is a more convenient and flexible way to pay for public transportation in Singapore, offering a wide range of payment options and rewards. To begin, you need to have an Ezlink card with a valid balance and a Simplygo account. If you do not have a Simplygo account, you can create one by downloading the Simplygo app and following the registration process. Once you have a Simplygo account, you can start the conversion process. Log in to your Simplygo app and navigate to the Ezlink conversion section. You will be prompted to enter your Ezlink card details, including the card number and expiration date. After entering the required information, you will be asked to confirm the conversion. This step is crucial, as it will transfer your Ezlink balance to your Simplygo account. Make sure you have sufficient balance in your Ezlink card, as any remaining balance will be transferred to your Simplygo account. Once the conversion is complete, you can use your Simplygo account to pay for public transportation, including buses and trains. You can also earn rewards and enjoy discounts on your daily commute. It is essential to note that the conversion process is irreversible, and you will not be able to transfer your balance back to your Ezlink card. Therefore, make sure you understand the terms and conditions before proceeding with the conversion. In conclusion, converting your Ezlink card to Simplygo is a simple and convenient process that offers a more flexible and rewarding way to pay for public transportation. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts, you can enjoy a seamless and hassle-free commuting experience.